The best cake pan must be an indispensable companion to make a delicious and nice cake. To successfully make cakes such as pound cake, chiffon cake, cupcake, or other cakes for your favorite, for example, desserts in winter, you will need to prepare different cake pans. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 cake pans on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fat Daddy-O's Round Cake Pan Celebration Set. This is a set of products that includes 3 convenient round cake pans with 3 different sizes that help you easily select the size of the cake depending on your purpose. Besides, thanks to the ability to reflect heat rather than absorb heat as traditional cake pans, this professional-grade baking pan can help you accelerate the baking speed. It also cools very quickly to help the cake not be overcooked. This set is made of anodized aluminum, maximizing durability and heat resistance. And these features are some dissimilarities between hard anodized and stainless steel cookware. Thanks to this optimal material, the pan's surface will not rust or react when exposed to any substance. Moreover, you will not need to worry that dishwashing soap, detergent, oils, and flavors will absorb into aluminum like other traditional products. In fact, Fat Daddy-O's Best Round Cake Pan Celebration Set is a professional cake pan that can be trusted. Your cake will be extremely safe, hygienic, and delicious thanks to this professional cake pan. Key features: ideal for instant pot and pressure cooker, freezer safe, made in Indonesia. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 9-inch Non-Stick Cake Pan. Made of aluminized steel, OXO Non-Stick Pro Round Cake Pan helps distribute heat quickly. The raw materials to produce this cake pan came from reliable sources around the world which do not contain PFOA and other harmful substances. The state-of-the-art design with a microstructure model minimizes surface contact, thereby allowing airflow underneath to help the cake be evenly and thoroughly cook. OXO Non-Stick Pro Round Cake Pan is ceramic coated by Swiss technology, ensuring anti-corrosion, anti-stain, and anti-scratch. Thanks to this, OXO Non-Stick Pro Round Cake Pan is also extremely durable by the time and safe for health. Moreover, OXO Non-Stick Pro Round Cake Pan is designed with square rolled edges that can be easily moved in and out of the oven. Key features: Swiss engineered, perfect for layer cakes, made in the USA. Number 3. Wilton Performance 8-inch Aluminum Cake Pan. This is Wilton's cake pan that is sure to bring you the most delicious cakes and brownies for your most satisfying dessert with Oreo, for instance. Let's check what makes it so special. Designed with high-quality aluminum material suitable for baking, Wilton Performance Pan's aluminum square cake pan helps bake your cake evenly and thoroughly. Besides, this square cake pan will unleash your creativity. In particular, Wilton Performance Pan's aluminum square cake pan has a depth of 2 inches that allows you to make a multi-layer cake. You should wash this cake pan in warm soapy water before and after use to get the best baking effect. Key features: suitable for making tiered and layered cakes, great to use in the pressure cooker, made in USA. Number 4. Wilton Perfect Results Fluted Tube Cake Pan. You are going to be creative as an expert thanks to this unique fluted tube pan design. Wilton Perfect Results Fluted Tube Cake Pan promises to bring you a delicious and nice cake. Compact size is suitable for making pretty small cakes. Moreover, the steel material ensures corrosion resistance and extremely high durability promise. The surface of this pan is coated with a non-stick layer that makes it easy to remove the cake after baking, and washing is also much more straightforward. Notably, this professional cake pan can also be a meaningful gift for your family, friends, and loved ones. Key features: microwave oven safe, fit in the pressure cooker, dishwasher safe, produced in USA. Number 5. Fat Daddy-O's Round Cheesecake Pan. Fat Daddy-O's Round Cheesecake Pan is a reliable cake pan. With aluminum material undergoing a safe anodizing process, this cake pan helps you eliminate all health concerns. In like manner, this advanced technology brings effective sealing of the pores on aluminum pans to prevent toxic substances from seeping into the food. Moreover, the non-stick and removable bottom makes it easy to take out the cake after baking with just a slight push. Even more impressive, Fat Daddy-O's Round Cheesecake Pan fits a variety of pressure cookers and fryers. The smart design and advanced material help reach the grill temperature quickly and give a faster cooling rate. Key features: fits perfectly in the 3, 6. An 8-quart pressure cookers, ideal for 3.4, 4, and 5.3-quart air fryers, freezer safe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.